another car meet, but this time, this one's actually right by the crib. So it should be pretty decent, hopefully. It's always nice to actually go to a car meet that's like close by. Hey, what's going on, fellas? It's always nice to go to a car meet that's close by. Bro, there's like, oh my God, there's a lot of cops out. It is technically 4th of July weekend though, the real weekend. But as I was saying, it's always nice to go to a meet that's close by. So you don't have to drive like an hour away. This is actually a bus. There is something else I can go to right now that I don't think is far, but if it's like farther than like 20 minutes away, I ain't going. I'm gonna be completely honest. If it's further than 20 minutes, oh, I see a car. It might not be dead. Oh, he didn't even pull out from where I was thinking. I was like, oh yes. A C6, but is it bussing? Damn, it's dead. Alright, so we are headed to a different meet right now, and it looks like it's gonna rain. I really hope that doesn't happen because I literally just washed the car yesterday. Oh, this guy is hauling ass. I really hope it doesn't happen, but it looks like it's gonna rain, and I'm honestly not too sure if this meet's gonna be pretty decent or not. The one I pulled up to yesterday was pretty decent, but we're gonna find out. Oh my God, I love the downshifts, man. Turn right. We'll see how this goes. See how we act up. Luckily, these meets are like early in the morning, so if they're duds and they're busts, it's not like your whole day is ruined. It's not like going to a meet at like 3, 4 o'clock and it ends up being a dud. So this sucks. Oh well. You just go right back home. Not a big deal. Oh yeah, we're definitely about to pull up. Ooh. It kind of does look pretty decent. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Hell yeah, this looks pretty decent. Yeah, this does look pretty decent. Kind of curious where I want to park. Park for your destination. I'm not too sure where I want to park though. I'll park in the back.
Arrived.
Do a loop around over here just to see what's here. But you guys know me. I am not somebody that can park well, so just put this joint in the back. Okay, this Celine is clean. Damn, bro. Oh, I like to see it. Roush is hard too. You can tell that dude's a turbo 400. That thing was like a 1-gear peel. GT 500. I need these wheels, bro. Yeah, these are clean. I don't care what anybody says. This wrap's clean. Yeah, this wrap's clean. Manual too. Oh, no way, B. Tillets. Man. This guy pulled up with no hood today. Cause I've seen this car like last month. He had the hood on. So he was like, fuck it today. But this is hard though. C7Z. Alright. Wide body Porsche. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the meet. That was actually pretty cool, man. That was like 2 days in a row that I went to pretty good meets back to back, which really doesn't happen anymore, unfortunately. I think the Celine Mustang and that C6ZR1 were the two most interesting cars there. But I do got some good news for you guys. Obviously, it's the next day, and the next upload is going to be me dropping off the 99 at Chris Car Dock so it can get pretty much diagnosed and the issues fixed. I already know what's actually going on with the car, but I still want to get a second set of hands and eyes looking at this car to make sure it is good to go, because I do intend on actually racing this car and, you know, enjoying it. So I want to make sure that it is good to go. So we're going to take it to the shop. Again, I'm going to go ahead and bring you with me. I do have some things for the car that are going to be going on while it's there, because since it's there, there really is no reason to not get that stuff done. All right, so you guys can see here, I actually went ahead and put the interior, or at least like 95% of the interior back in here. Have the back seats back in the car, just additional coolant. I don't have the passenger seat in here because this is technically like my trunk space, because the way the trunk setup's back there, I'm just not really comfortable going ahead and storing things, because the last time I went ahead and messed with shit in the trunk, obviously the car broke down. So just take a precaution. I mean, I don't want to put anything back here really. This all needs to be addressed. We got a rat's nest right here. We have pretty much battery acid like all around this, you know, battery container. So all this needs to be addressed. Probably gonna get this stuff wire tucked. I don't think I'm gonna do it while the car is there at Chris Car Dock, but this all needs to be addressed because I personally don't like the way that is set up. But we are gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be pretty much putting back on the power pipe. I took this off because I, for some reason, thought that the blower might have been, you know, causing an issue, because this filter is disgusting. So we're gonna swap that out. I do have a new AEM boost gauge back here that's gonna be going on the car because the auto meter on the car right now is completely dead, and we do have a new MotionWorks catch can, which I'm gonna be swapping out the catch can that is on the car currently. This thing's actually like really nice too. Like, this is a pretty high quality catch can, as you guys can see here. I really do like this. It's gonna clean up the engine bay quite a bit, so I cannot wait to go ahead and get this all installed and pretty much, you know, get the car running the way it should have been running, you know, as soon as I took delivery of like a month ago. There's obviously still gonna be some little things that I do need to go ahead and address with this car, those being the headlights, the side markers, and the hood, because those things kind of need to be addressed, because right now the car kind of looks like all over the place. I mean, you can see here, and the hood's not really lined up right, so that's gonna get fixed up. Headlights are very foggy. These are actually the OEM headlights too, so gonna get some new headlights. I'm just gonna put some, like, honestly, you can say what you want, but I'm putting the eBay replacements because they're all junk. So what's the point of spending 120 when the $60 ones do the same thing? Need to get new side marker here, but other than that, I think everything is I mean, decent. Needs a respray. Oh yeah, third brake light, because this is definitely seen some better days, but surprisingly the tail lights are actually in pretty good condition. Really surprised about that. These are probably not stock, because there's no way this is faded and this isn't. Like, these are probably these are in better condition than the taillights that were on the 04 that I had. But like, what the hell happened to the rest of the car? I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Next video, man, you know, my luck, man, I take it up there tomorrow and shit, they fix it the same day. Maybe it's a loose ground and it's not even the fuel pump, I don't know, but I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to go ahead and replace the fuel pump, probably to an Aeromotive A1000, but I'm gonna let them go ahead and kind of recommend the fuel pump I should put in this car, and they probably got a discount, so we'll just go with that. Catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.